Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly build a flashcard system in Notion using a free Notion flashcards template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up your own professional-looking flashcards in minutes, customize them to fit your study needs, and streamline your revision process, all without any technical headaches. So let's get right into it. First things first, using a template in Notion is a smart move because it saves you tons of setup time and ensures your workspace has a sleek, organized feel right from the start. Professional templates are designed with both usability and aesthetics in mind, which means less tinkering and more focusing on what matters, your learning. Okay, let's start. Open up Notion and head over to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small drop-down menu. It's kind of tucked away, but it's an important hub for extra features. Click that drop-down to reveal more options. Choosing these more options is a bit like opening a toolbox. You'll find everything you might need to tweak and grow your Notion workspace. Next, look for the Browse Templates option. This is where Notion truly shines. Notion's template library is packed with useful, well-crafted pages designed and shared by other users. Clicking Browse Templates can feel a little overwhelming at first because there's so much on offer, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Now, use the search bar and type in Notion Flashcards. The search tool is super helpful, like having a GPS for Notion's template landscape. As the results pop up, take a moment to scroll through and see what catches your eye. Notion. Flashcard templates come in different layouts and styles, so feel free to preview a few until you find one that feels right for you, whether you want something minimalist, color-coded, or focused on spaced repetition. Once you've found the flashcards template that works for you, click on it, and then hit the Add button. This imports the template directly into your workspace, saving you from all the hassle of building things from scratch. It's a bit like getting a pre-assembled bookshelf instead of a pile of wooden planks. The whole process only takes a few seconds, but it sets up the foundation for all your study sessions. With the template added, you're ready to make it your own. This is the fun part. You can populate your flashcard database with your credentials. For example, you might add topics like medical terms, vocabulary words, or historical dates, depending on what you're studying. Notion lets you add different fields to each card, such as questions, answers, tags, or even links to external resources. Don't forget to tap into your creativity here. Feel free to customize each card with images, colors, or emojis. Personalizing your flashcards isn't just about making things look nice. It actually helps you engage with the material and remember it better. And if you're ever unsure about tweaking the template, take it one step at a time. If you make a mistake, it's easy to undo or adjust. Notion is super forgiving, which is great for experimenting and learning as you go. And just like that, your Notion flashcard system is up and running. You now have a powerful, professional, and flexible tool for studying anything. Feel free to expand the template later as your needs grow, whether you want to share flashcards with friends or track your progress over time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with customizing your Notion template. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.